Hello, my friends. My name is Catherine, and I've brought you in close today because we are doing a resin pouring project, and I wanted to bring you closer to give you more opportunity to be able to see what we're doing. I am doing this project in collaboration with another artist here on YouTube. Her channel is called Terrarium Crafts, and if you haven't seen her yet, guys, check her out. She does awesome things, like really just amazing things. I'm going to include a link to her channel and a couple of other of her things in the description below. She's got like a blog and things too. You will love it. It's amazing. And she is doing a resin pouring pendant project too. So let's get started. My idea for this project is to use this Tim Holtz Baroque frame. It's it just says Baroque frames. It comes in a pack of 2. I'm going to use those as bezel for this pouring project. Oh, there's plastic on the back too. There we go. There we go. And then my idea for this, there we go. There we have it. Okay, yes. Anyway, my idea for this is to, let's see, how do I explain it? Have you seen those paper boxes where they do many layers of paper, and they cut out different shapes in each layer so that it creates a background and a foreground, and then they put a light behind it so that you can see all the different layers as thicknesses of paper depending on how much of the light shines through? I want to do like that for this. Now obviously I can't put a light behind it because it's going to be a pendant. So to create the light and dark effect, I have dyed some circles of paper with different amounts of alcohol ink, ranging from none at all to very saturated. There we go. So I've got that, and I'm just gonna lay the tape down on the back of this bezel. If I can get my finger out from underneath it, that'll be even better, and make sure that it's flat. Let's see if we can't just press it down all the way around. There we go. And then I'm just gonna flip it over and kind of make sure that I seal it on really well by running my fingernail around it. I don't want any resin seeping out from underneath. There we go. That's, I think, about as good as it's gonna get. Okay, so we've got that done. Now let's set it aside. So the idea is I'm going to use the darkest ones in the background and then the lightest ones in the foreground. And the background should be taking up the most of the space. A pencil. So I'm going to just kind of draw a sort of curved shape down on the back, because I'm gonna cut this out with my There we go. That's kind of what it's going to pile up like. It's all right. I'm not truly impressed with it, but it is all right. So let's mix up our resin. Let's put all this to the side for the moment. Shove this out of the way. Put this over here and actually turn it over because it's going to have to go in back to front. And then pull over our scale and turn it on. Oop, wait. We don't want to be weighing the cup. Okay, and then equal amounts, part A and part 2. So it's a little cold in here. Don't want too much. This resin might be on its last legs, you guys. I might have to buy more resin. All right. Okay. And there we have it for the scale. So let's turn it off and put it away. It'll just be glitter everywhere forever and ever and ever and ever and ever and ever. You will never not be covered in glitter again. All right, you know what? I'm going to dome it up now. I don't want to have to come back and dome it later. I'm going to dome it now, and that's that. So what I'm doing to dome it is I am just dripping drips of resin in the center and letting it self-level outward. Because it should, if everything works out right, end up level-ish, domed-ish, sort of, kind of, hopefully, once all is said and done, or in the case of resin, once all is spread and done. I am punny. I'm feeling extra punny today. There we go. All right, so we are almost done with this. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go check out what she over at Terrarium Crafts has done, because I am super interested in seeing it, and I haven't seen it yet, and I really want to, because I've seen other resin pouring videos of her, and they are awesome. She does an amazing job. There we go. Anyway, I'll stick that down and stick this down and stick that down, stick this down. Just press everything down and into place. There we go. And then maybe just a little bit more resin to dome everything up. Upward. There we go. All right, yeah. So anyway, go watch her video. Tell me what you think. I am very interested in hearing what you think about her resin pouring and how it's different from mine. and I will see everybody next time. Oh yes, and for goodness sakes, remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe to me, remember to subscribe to her, and really, see you all later. Bye!